Today is an auspicious day. Let me congratulate all the scientific and technology brethren in India and abroad on this occasion of Indian Science Day. This is celebrated in memory of C.B. Raman's discovery of a Raman effect, and that happened on way back in 28th February 1928. But every year there is a different message, different motto of Indian celebration. This year's motto is to empower the Indian youth in science and innovation to take up the global leadership, where research and product development complement each other and they go hand in hand. One need not wait for a 10 years research outcome to come and then start doing the product development. In Sisir Radar, we are following the principle what we are espousing, that our cutting edge research and product development go hand in hand. We have developed the world's best resolution synthetic aperture radar in L and P band, and also X band synthetic aperture radar, matching the best performing one in the world. I am confident this will be a game changer not only for India but make India proud in the international arena. And congratulations to my scientific brethren and wish you all the best in all your future and present endeavors.